Welcome to Thrive Exchange. We sit at the intersection of two historic communities on the southeast side of Chicago, South Shore and South Chicago. Thrive Exchange at 79th and Exchange Avenue comprises 4 separate sites, an unprecedented opportunity to make an over $65 million investment in this community that's sure to create a ripple effect. Thrive Exchange North sits on the north side of 79th Street and Exchange, directly across from the metro station. Thrive Exchange is a creative repurposing of the barbershop building by adding 2 new structures to create one building of 49 affordable apartment units with tons of amenity space and ground floor retail for local businesses. On the south side of 79th and Exchange, we have Thrive Exchange South, a companion building that references and speaks a similar language to the Thrive Exchange North building, and we bring there 39 units of affordable workforce housing for families in this community. We found a way to activate the street with a ground floor plaza area that's directly off of the retail, and this important plaza provides a connection at the street level for visitors, for tenants, for businesses. To the south of the Thrive Exchange South building, we have the historic Ringer building. And we have a wonderful way of repurposing that with a medical office use, and we have planned approximately 3,000 square feet of collaborative space for local businesses and tenants, a tech incubator, and other creative uses to drive and propel the local businesses and entrepreneurs in this community. We also have with our partner, Metra, we can provide over 100 parking spaces to support the projects and the density that we're bringing to this intersection.
We don't only look at the housing and how we build up the bricks and mortar, but we look at how we build up the families. We plan to have live work spaces where people can come and not only have their businesses thrive, but actually live and live affordably. Our sister organization, Chicago Family Health Clinic, is also a part of this project. Our mindsets are very similar. We hire from the community. I know for Claretian Associates, only over 80% of our staff live in the community that we serve in. This is going to be a homegrown, South Side-based effort.
We've been in Chicago on the south side of the city pretty much for the last 44 years. We're always looking for places to provide additional care based on the needs in the community, and there's certainly a need in that area for additional health care. You know, when you come to a Chicago family location, you see the people that work there, they're a product of the communities that we're serving. And that's done intentionally. You know, we want to make sure that you're providing care to your friends, your neighbors, the people you go to church with, the people you see at the store. We hire everybody straight from the community. So if we went into this space, we couldn't take people that we have from existing locations, or that we have to hire all brand new people over there. They would be all new jobs.
Lee Reed has a tremendous reputation for doing creative spaces and really high quality for sale housing, and that is a new addition and goes outside of the initial RFP, but it allows us to bring a for sale component and a wealth building component for people who want to make a long-term investment in the community.
Revere Properties is proposing to design and build 24 for sale condominium units on vacant land across the street from the Ringer building on Exchange Avenue. These 2 to 4 bedroom units will provide new home ownership opportunities in the community. The high quality units will have private parking, rear yards, plenty of windows, and stormwater landscape garden areas. The upper floors will actually have lakefront views. We also intend to partner with ComEd to reduce electric energy costs by installing solar panels on the roofs of the building. To make these opportunities more affordable, we've partnered with Neighborhood Housing Services of Chicago, a nonprofit homeownership advocacy group, to assist in providing subsidies directly to the home buyer.
When we were thinking about the design for the residential buildings, we were trying to design for all different types of people, from the live-work lofts that will be on the ground floor here, right next to the barbershop building, to studios for a single person or a senior who wants to live intergenerationally in the community, to family units where people can live with their kids and be right next to the train and the health center. On top of the retail, we have activated amenity space for the residents, and on top of that, a great rooftop deck that includes lounge areas, fire pits, grilling stations, and resident gardens where you can grow your own food.
There's this opportunity to really build some excitement around the plaza and the south building, develop a wonderful pocket park in the rear of that building, as well as turn Exchange into a really nice residential streetscape that filters down into the community.
We've tried to create a new kind of focal point or locus at this intersection that has a plaza on that side where we could have performances.
Thrive Exchange is 4 separate projects united by a single vision. This $65 million investment will have 4 separate financings. Each building can stand alone, but ideally they're meant to work together as a community. The buildings include studios, 1, 2, and 3-bedroom apartments suitable for singles, families, as well as independent seniors. Rents range from 30 to 80% of the area median income, with a focus for most of the units around 50%, which would be affordable for a household earning $42,000 for a family renting a 2-bedroom apartment. The Ringer Building Rehabilitation and Adaptive Reuse maximizes the use of federal and state resources. Of the $65 million financing, less than 25% is requested from city funds. The for-sale condominiums by Revere Properties are seeking construction cost write-downs to maximize affordability and maximize inclusiveness in the neighborhood.
At DL3 Realty, we see promise and opportunity in our Southside neighborhoods, many of whom have been historically disinvested. We built our first project in 1979 at the corner of 71st and Stony Island in South Shore, and we're excited about Thrive Exchange here at the intersection of South Chicago and South Shore. We are proud to have worked with our community partners at the South Shore Chamber, as well as South Shore Works, Clarice & Associates, Chicago Family Health Center, and we look forward to working with Alderman Greg Mitchell and the working group that's been established here in this community to refine our concept and deliver a thriving experience here at the intersection of 79th and Exchange. Thrive Exchange.